मंगलम.
नमस्कार. आज सार्ध पंचशतमानोत्सवांत आमक जॉईन जाता आसाची हैदराबादचे पजोलना ग्रुपाचे श्री प्रकाश पै आणि श्रीमती वंदना पै. तुम दोन लोकांक हांव हार्दिक स्वागत करता आमच्या समाज लोकां कडच्यान. आज तुम्ही हांगा पळयतर आसा आमी तुम फुल मठांत एक एनवायरमेंट पळयल्लो उरतले. कशें फील जाता रस तुमकां?
मस्त पॉझिटिव्ह एनर्जी असं अँड फील लाईक कमिंग अगेन अँड अगेन.
एकदम डिवाइन असं अँड आय फील देव बद्द येऊन बसला अशें तितले लायक एनर्जी असं इट्स ब्युटिफूल. स्वाम्यान मस्त 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 ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल हॅव वर्कड रियली हार्ड. यू हॅव जस्ट क्रिएटेड मॅजिक हिअर. दॅट्स इट. दॅट्स ऑल आय कॅन से.
आणि बीइंग फ्रॉम एक लेगसी बांधले तुम्ही बिझनेस फील्डांत. इफ यू कुड ऑफर वन पीस ऑफ एडवाइस फॉर द यूथ ऑफ अवर समाज, what would it be?
I mean, I would like to tell them only one thing: work hard, work hard, work hard, nothing else. Have a positive mind. Don't look left and right, go straight, that's all.
आणि तुमगेल जर्नी, तुमगे प्रोफेशनल जर्नी वरो, पर्सनल जर्नी वरो, तुमकां बीइंग अटॅच टू द रूट्स, आमगेल ट्रेडिशन्स आसा, कल्चर आसा, वॉट रोल डीड दे प्ले तुमगेल जर्नी भितर?
See, one thing, for anything to achieve, there are two things are required. One is your parents' blessings, and the second thing, to enjoy whatever you earn, the luck of the wife and the children, both were with me. Without that, I would have not done it.
He just had a 1 point dedication. He was like the Arjun Alprata. Ekka Laksha. Laksha, his goal was his company. He lived for his company. That's why the company grew. He grew like phenomenally because his point dedication was like selfless. He didn't want anything. He just wanted the company to grow.
His heart and soul into
Yes,
it.
No,
his
without,
soul is
without her support, I would have not done it.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर जॉईनिंग अस टुडे. आणि आम्ही विश करतात की फुल 11 डे इव्हेंटांत तुम्ही हांगा उरका, पार्टिसिपेट करका आणि वट्टलो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट आम्ही करेंगे, बरे सक्सेसफुल इव्हेंट करया म्हणून. थँक यू व्हेरी मच सर. थँक यू.
And I pray that this becomes a great tourist spot. Every Indian, every Hindu, every Ram Bhakt should come and see this place. It's built gorgeously, simply beautiful.